Gary Neville is
Are
the
you seriously saying this?
most slept on player in the world. तो Carragher आज तो खेल भी नहीं सकता. Like I don't think Carragher can play Premier League football now.
Ryan Giggs is possibly the best winger who's ever played the game. Ronaldo's best couple of years at Manchester United were more a forward position.
De Bruyne wasn't like really वह कोई वेस्ट ना वुल्सबर्ग का कोई चीता प्लेयर नहीं था वो.
De Bruyne struggled.
कोई exactly
So
these
उसको
were
बनाया है. I
great
mean,
players.
Chelsea में struggle किया है De Bruyne ने.
Great teams.
Ferguson won the Premier League with some really shitty
Shitty
teams.
players. That's a skill.
Pep can't win anything with shitty players.
Yeah.
हेलो इंटरनेशनल ब्रेक है लेकिन हमें कोई ब्रेक नहीं मिल रहा. ऑल रियल फुटबॉल फैंस नो दैट इंटरनेशनल फुटबॉल इज़ BS. तो हमने सोचा कि कुछ ज़रा लॉन्ग टर्म बातें करें. पहले फैसल तलहा बैक इन द स्टूडियो. कैसे हैं?
Hello.
I'm surprised to be back.
क्यों आपको फेम अच्छी नहीं लगी लास्ट
नहीं नहीं फेम तो अच्छी लगी but I really felt like I was out of my depths but then my friends told me this is not an expert panel. No offense to you guys. And they said
No,
you
not
should just
really.
start.
We're just
And
fans.
Actually, yes,
you know,
that's what this is about. We're just people who
Yes.
watch football, who play football, who consume football in different ways, video games or Twitter or fantasy or. So yeah, I mean, we're here to just share opinions.
तो
I guess.
हमने सोचा कुछ ज़रा क्लिक बीटी कंटेंट बनाए हम भी ताकि लोग
Nice,
हमें देखें ताकि
nice.
हम वीकली उस पर आएँ. ऑल टाइम प्रीमियर लीग 11 एंड बाय प्रीमियर लीग आई मीन 92 ऑनवर्ड्स.
Right.
तो सेफ स्टार्ट करते हैं. आई डोंट थिंक देयर इज अ डिबेट ऑन
I think we should comment farm and just bring it all out.
हाँ रेज बेट करो ना.
हाँ, exactly.
रेज बेट के बेस्ट कीपर जो है वो मेरी नज़र में जो हार्ट है.
देखो
रेज बेट करो सबको.
इससे पहले हम स्टार्ट करें अभी रिसेंटली एक ट्विटर का बड़ा फेमस अकाउंट है फुटबॉल का. उन्होंने प्रीमियर लीग ऑल टाइम 11 निकाली एंड आई सॉ इट एंड आई वाज काइंड ऑफ शॉक्ड बिकॉज
कौन-कौन थे?
उसमें वैन डाइक था और उसमें
Virgil
मिडफील्ड के
van
अंदर
Dijk
डे ब्रुयने
कहाँ से
था.
आ गया?
आई मीन वो बॉय जो भी चला रहा है उसको पेज को उसको टेंस ऑफ थाउजेंड्स ऑफ रीट्वीट्स भी मिली हैं. वो बॉय 18-19 साल का होगा बिकॉज ये 2015 ऑनवर्ड्स के प्लेयर्स को लेके उसने ऑल टाइम प्रीमियर लीग 11 बनाई थी.
सो डिबेट सो रूल्स हमारे हैं 2:1 विंस.
Okay.
और ये
Okay.
मसला ये है कि 2 यूनाइटेड हैं तो तला प्रॉब्ली
yeah, I
हारेगा ही. कीपर
नहीं
से
आज मैं न्यूट्रल हूँ क्योंकि ऑल टाइम प्रीमियर लीग 11 बन रही है और बहुत अच्छे प्लेयर्स खेले हैं
Right.
So,
प्रीमियर लीग में.
keeper,
so
You know, I'll also take this opportunity to get educated because I just want viewers to know कि मैंने बहुत late football start किया था and मेरा retrospect जो है वो ये boys confirm कर देते हैं.
92.
So मैं अपने
nine-
opinion शायद नए वाले लाऊं but let's see.
92 इज प्रीमियर लीग. सो
Okay,
प्रीमियर लीग
done.
आई थिंक कीपर पे तो डिबेट नहीं है.
बहुत सारे हैं.
इट्स द सिंपलेस्ट
Better check.
आंसर.
Yeah, I would say
इट्स माइकल कम ऑन. It
Okay, so sure, please start, please.
has to be.
अच्छा.
You think Peter
yeah,
Cech?
I'm divided on it.
Between
I was
Cech and
also going
Schmeichel.
to say Petr Cech. So
Oh,
I was also
bros.
going to say Petr Cech is because Petr Cech faced. Oh my God, yaar, the forwards who were playing in the Premier League during his time were all these like Petr Cech अगर 6 फुट 5 इंच का था तो वो दो फॉरवर्ड थे हर टीम में 6 फुट 4-5 इंच के.
पेटर चेक को सर पे लात पड़ गई तो ठीक है मेरी हमदर्दी है उसके लिए. पेटर चेक की लॉन्जेविटी ज़्यादा है बट Courtois was considered the better keeper when Courtois was there. Petr Cech was put on the bench. Then he had to go to Arsenal. Probably number 2 Petr Cech ही है. बट श्माइकल से आप कैसे कंपेयर कर सकते हैं यार?
तो श्माइकल की अगर आप नाम ले रहे हैं तो फिर वैंडर सार भी आ जाता है उस पूरी गेम के अंदर.
बट वैंडर सार ने भी
Van der Sar
6-7
was a
साल
very
फुलहम.
no-nonsense great goalkeeper.
I think is the second
I
best
think we should have
United
a buzzer
keeper.
here that says United bias incoming. तो फिर वो मैं बजाना शुरू कर दूंगा and then we can
नहीं,
just list
देखो-
all the. Actually, let's talk about it. Not. अच्छा, let's keep Petr Cech to the side as well. Who else is there?
Petr Cech, I mean Pepe Reina.
Pepe Reina.
Come
Okay.
on,
He was a
यार.
great goalkeeper.
He had
Even
like-
though they didn't win anything.
Why would you say that? Like just for my knowledge, like
Pepe Reina, yaar, he was keeping for such a
Pep-
topsy-turvy, substandardish sort of Liverpool
Right.
team.
Pepe Reina
कि
की
he
उस
sometimes
time-
held it together for them, not letting goals in.
Okay.
And he was a great shot stopper. And this was a time where goalkeepers were not expected to distribute. So all
Yes.
of these people we're mentioning are really great shot
Right.
stoppers and just hoik the ball up. There was
So,
no
पेपे रेना का ये
distribution,
अच्छा है कि उस टाइम वो नहीं था ना कि यू हैव टू बी गुड विद योर फीट. So Pepe Reina was good with his hands. जो
Right.
Rory Delap type scene था ना
he's
कि वो wings में ball दे देता, so his
Distribution was good.
was good.
Yeah,
But
he's better than Schmeichel and Petr Cech. Petr Cech and Schmeichel
yeah,
were very
I would.
much
I mean,
के
अगर
बस ball उड़ा दी.
हमने non-United करना है तो David Seaman was very good.
David Seaman.
David Seaman was very
Arsenal,
good.
yeah.
अगर-
जब
Probably
तक वो रोनाल्डो से नहीं टकरा उसके बाद जरा डेविड सीमन बेचारा
probably the best English keeper was Seaman.
possibly
Yeah.
possibly and longevity also.
हाँ.
He played for a very very long time for Arsenal.
Achha, so I'm particularly interested with the goalkeeping position because when I started playing football, with these guys, usually the newcomers would just be sent into goal, and my entry into also like watching football, I got really fascinated by Manuel Neuer. I just thought he was not human. And that showed me that even in this position where you're between the sticks, you can still define some kind of a role. Joe, I'm sure other goalkeepers have definitely done that. But I feel like in the modern era, he's definitely redefined that entire goal. Half line pe khada hua hota hai. In that sense, which Premier League goalkeeper could have really redefined the role for the position itself?
Michael, I think,
You
like
think?
when Peter Schmeichel was playing, he was what everybody else was compared to in that position. मतलब आप जो कह रहे हैं Petr Cech, I think Schmeichel faced better strikers than Petr Cech. By the 2000s आपका one striker system आ गया था, सब 4-5-1 खिला.
वो
आपके
2008
90s
तक
में
आपका two striker system
90s
चल
में तो
रहा
सब दो खिला रहे थे यार.
सब दो खिला रहे थे मगर the quality of the players in the Premier League really drastically went up 1999 onwards. After the Manchester United treble, उसके बाद then you would see a lot of great continental South American players coming to the Premier League. उससे पहले बहुत कम थे. It was a lot of English players, Scottish players, Irish players, and players from like Denmark, players from like Northern Europe. जो
Big
continental जो big guys थे ना.
Yeah.
So
क्यों Zola खेल रहा था?
it really changed after 1999.
So
2000 onwards was a very different Premier League.
Zola was there, ठीक है. आपके
बहुत गिने चुने हैं.
टॉटनम का इटालियन स्ट्राइकर जो था,
was there.
Di Canio तो चलो एक पागल.
थोड़े जर्मन थोड़े बहुत
But अगर
आते थे.
आप-
I mean क्या नाम है अपना
Oliver Kahn.
Oliver Kahn.
None of these.
क्या नाम है उसका the forward यार who was also manager of Tottenham.
भाई देखिए अगर आप आर्सेनल की बात करें, was Anelka 90s, was Anelka 2000s?
Anelka was 2000s.
Anelka didn't he start in the
Late
90s?
90s then 2000s में था.
You're talking about defenders.
No,
नहीं,
just
नहीं,
talking about
striker.
generally players.
Generally European players coming in.
European especially South American players.
Yeah.
बिल्कुल बहुत आपको कम नजर आते
क्यों
थे.
क्रेस्पो था?
बहुत ही कम यार. I mean हार्डली कब आया है वो आया अब्रामोविच के टाइम के बाद जब वो
Wasn't
रशियन
Crespo
पैसा
there
आया.
before?
रशियन पैसे के बाद आया है वो.
अच्छा भाई ये सो श्माइकल और पेटर चेक.
So I stick with Petr Cech.
एक थर्ड ऑप्शन पिक कर लें उन तीन में से एक हम डिसाइड.
नहीं, आई थिंक बेस्ट टू तो यही है. तो
अच्छा,
बिला
so
वजह का- I
if
would
the-
put Seaman at third.
I did start this show by saying I don't like any Premier League team, but I really like Leicester City. I just love that story.
हाँ तो
entirely.
उसका बेटा है ना.
Exactly, मैं कह रहा हूँ, I loved
बेटा
Kasper
है.
Schmeichel. I loved
Forgiving
his
two
technique.
generations.
No, बिल्कुल. And I was rooting for Denmark जब वो खड़ा हुआ stands में भी ना अपने बच्चे को root off कर रहा है. So yeah, I get why you're saying Schmeichel. Definitely, there's athleticism there. There's a
He's a
quick
beast,
thinking.
bro.
Reflexes बहुत तेज हैं.
I mean like Leicester City Kante was discovered there.
Oh
man.
yeah,
Like,
for sure. I love that club. Anyway, talent
And
hub.
I
But
mean
yeah.
recency bias, but I think Alisson is also
Really good. So,
really good.
so
अगर मैनुअल नेवर वाली बात हो रही है, is the
yeah,
closest.
but he's the closest mirror
Yeah.
to that kind of technique.
I don't know.
And
Between
calm compose.
Schmeichel and Petr Cech, I don't know. I'd still pick Petr Cech.
2-1 हो गया ना.
हो गया. Petr Cech.
Petr Cech आ गया.
ठीक है, राइट बैक पे आ जाते हैं.
All right, let's
सबको
go.
पता है मेरे यूनाइटेड बायस है, तो मैं तो बोलना भी नहीं चाहता.
Gary Neville.
Yeah,
का
मैं बोलने
वाला.
Gary Neville is
Are
the
you
most
seriously saying this?
most slept on player in the world because
Clickbait.
Gary
Thumbnail.
Neville shits on himself and his playing career. I think we sort of forget what Gary Neville was.
Okay.
Hmm.
भाई उसने कुछ 7-8 प्रीमियर लीग टाइटल जीते हैं. वो
Okay.
कैप्टन था, उसका 16 साल का करियर है. What are we talking about here?
Yeah, I mean Kyle Walker भी अच्छा है यार.
यही दो
I-
options हैं.
अच्छा, I thought you
Kyle
were going to
Walker
bring
तो-
some older name. मैं बोलने वाला था, like I've only seen Kyle Walker. Except honestly, other than Kyle Walker, like I've not seen a
These
better
are the-
defender, passer, English person in the Premier League on that position.
So I think Sami Hyypiä जब खेल रहा था right back, he was a decent right back. Chelsea का जो था Portuguese right back, he was good.
नाम भूल गया उसका.
हाँ,
Yes, he was
yeah,
very good.
he was good.
But I think Kyle Walker
Azpilicueta
and
wasn't
Gary
bad
Neville are-
for many
Azpilicueta
years.
is really good,
Was
yeah.
many years.
Kyle
But it's
Walker-
Gary Neville and Kyle Walker.
हाँ,
I
Kyle
think that
Walker
is the
and Gary Neville
discussion.
की एक तो longevity and plus a lot of the trophies and titles and everything that they've won. और because बहुत सारे ऐसे भी खेले हैं इस तरह की टीम्स में जिन्होंने कभी कुछ जीता नहीं. So उनका भी दिमाग लड़ाने पे नाम भी याद नहीं आ रहा. So can't really remember. But in my opinion, I would pick
It's
Kyle
these two.
Walker just for one reason, his pace. The
Yes.
only thing he takes over
Yes.
Gary Neville is Gary Neville wasn't an expressly quick player.
I'll add one more thing.
जी.
And Kyle Walker has some crazy pace, he can.
Pace के साथ साथ his adaptability. I feel like being a Pep player is not easy. You have to be आपको हर चीज करने की and I mean considering how we're talking about the best like 11 Premier League की मैंने इसी तरह की एक ट्वीट देखी थी कि शुक्र इसमें कोई यूनाइटेड प्लेयर नहीं है क्योंकि that tells you Fergie ने कैसे 13 seasons जीते हैं. Like basically he had like players who he put into the right positions and he coached them well. But when you come to Walker, मुझे लगता है कि अंदर individual capability है to be a better, I don't know, passer, athleticism, adaptability. Like he's played defensive. He's the
He's
goal.
great in the air.
उसने goal भी एक
like,
दफा में. I
he's
think
a big
उसने-
guy.
Exactly. So he can be
है.
thrown around the pitch and he can still come down to that
इसमें
role.
सिर्फ अब इशू ये है कि अक्रॉस एराज जो है वो मुश्किल हो जाती है. लाइक गैरी को एक्सप्रेस पेस नहीं चाहिए थी बिकॉज राइट बैक की जो पोजीशन है वाज नॉट द सेम पोजीशन ऑलमोस्ट बिकॉज
You're staying back.
now you want the right back to be a
Involved.
right winger in attack. You did not want Gary Neville to be a. What you wanted was कि give the ball to Bex. Bex deliver कर देगा and then provide the overlap. That's why his channel is called the overlap because that's what Gary did all day, all out. Probably defensive skills Gary के बेहतर हैं. Kyle Walker because was so quick.
Yeah, he could catch.
He did a lot of recovery runs.
अभी
जो
मॉडर्न
उसके
एरा
वो
में भी
छुपा
हैं.
देते थे मसले मसाइल.
अभी मॉडर्न एरा में भी हैं मगर उन्होंने इतनी देर अभी खेल के जीता नहीं है कि रीस इज वेरी गुड.
Reece James is
Reece,
so good.
but Reece की इंजरी जो है
Yeah,
ना,
that's a huge
Reece
problem.
James is
आप
good.
दो
And he's
साल
more than I feel like he definitely can
I mean,
attend to
even
that entire channel.
United का converted right back जो था Valencia was
Come on,
amazing.
sorry. मैं
But,
as biased as I am,
you can't do
Valencia
that.
को नहीं कर सकते यार. Valencia was a workhorse and he did a job for us. But
But that, and then
Probably
again,
like
that's what a good
Wes
player is
Brown.
who
And
does a
sometimes you
job
need those
for you.
in those positions.
Valencia
yeah,
से
I guess,
बेहतर
yeah.
तो right back Wes Brown था यार.
हाँ, but Wes Brown was really bad in possession. He's like.
He provided the cross that Ronaldo scored from that got you the Champions League final.
ये भी है, मगर-
But चलो मैं concede कर देता हूँ. Kyle
सही.
Walker.
चलो
Walker.
Kyle
सही है
Walker.
डन
ठीक है. Gary Neville agrees वैसे ही, but वो भी humble आदमी है.
I'm sure he does.
हम
जैसे गैरी नेवल को मैं सलूट मारता हूँ. उसका जो भी रिसेंटली वीडियो
Yeah,
आया
yeah,
था
yeah.
कि यार आई प्लेड इन अ टीम जिसमें काले भी थे, गोरे भी थे, ब्राउन भी थे, येलो भी थे, हर मुल्क के लोग थे. हम तो कभी नहीं ये सोचते थे इन चीज़ों के बारे में. ये वो आई थिंक वो यूनियन जैक वाले उसके ऊपर
हाँ,
बोल रहे
yeah, he
हाँ,
did.
He's such a great guy.
चलते चलते
I think
जैसे
he's
video.
off the hook, so he's unhinged now. अब वो हर
he's
चीज
such a great
बिल्कुल
guy.
सही तरीके से बोल
But
रहा है.
for a best Premier League team, I would pick Kyle Walker.
मैं वापस am I allowed to give
Yeah.
my United
Yeah,
bias
absolutely.
against for left back? Probably the right answer is Ashley Cole, but come on, Dennis Irwin. Come on.
Dennis Irwin and
Come on.
Patrice Evra for that matter.
Between the two, Irwin.
Yeah, Dennis Irwin. Yeah,
आप
it's quite.
Dennis
So,
Irwin तो आपके
नहीं,
time
The amount
I'm
of
not even
goals-
sure who Dennis Irwin is. I don't think
The
I've
amount
seen.
of goals he scored for a left back was insane.
I think he never missed a penalty or some
yeah, he's
crazy
crazy,
stat
yeah.
Can I
like
tell you a
that.
fun fact? Lewandowski's debut game was at left back for Poland.
Wow.
Oh wow.
Wow.
Oh wow.
Wow, I didn't know this.
Yeah,
Oh,
isn't
wow.
that crazy?
But I
So-
can imagine him being
But
a
बड़ा
great
है,
defender.
yeah,
He's
yeah,
a
he's
big
a
guy,
big guy.
long steps.
और क्या
so-
आपके पास options हैं? Reece had a great shot, but not an all-round defender.
यार अगर deep cuts मारने हैं like from
Ashley Cole है.
other than the standards,
Yeah.
obviously, like I really like Marcus Alonso.
हाँ, he's
Yeah, defensively suspect.
हाँ, defensively, yeah,
वो जब
you'd be
wing
right.
back
Yeah,
खेल रहा
yeah,
था
yeah,
एक
that's
season,
true.
he was-
Actually, he was best in the five at the back.
Yeah,
and
वही
वो
ना
कोई ना
वही
कोई
तो
Conte शॉन्टे के
वो
अंडर होता था.
defensively suspect.
That's true.
Evra, Cole, Irwin, डिफेंस एंड अटैक बोथ. Irvin राइट बैक भी खेल सकता है, लेफ्ट बैक भी खेल सकता है.
For me, it would be between Irwin
And Cole.
and Evra.
You think Evra was better than Cole?
Uh, Actually, maybe it's because the time when Evra was playing for Manchester United, Arsenal was struggling just to remain in the back, in the
But he
top
had moved
four.
to Chelsea, na?
And used to Manchester United was winning almost every year. So
Oh, I mean, Chelsea
उस
won a
लिहाज से
decent
एक
amount.
winning mentality भी थोड़ी सी, और जो डेनिस अर्विन में भी एक winning mentality के हारना ही नहीं है. So which
Talha.
was really
I'm willing to give Cole.
Yeah, I know. I mean, honestly, my retrospect maybe, or like there's so few names that come right now who could trump the Cole card. So I'm just gonna stick with that.
yeah.
Cole, happy with Cole?
Yeah, चलो I'll concede. Democracy भाई, democracy.
चले
होनी
मैं
चाहिए
आपको
पाकिस्तान में.
सेंटर बैक का भी सेफ ऑप्शन दे देता हूँ.
हाँ.
फिर उसको ओपन अप
हाँ,
कर देते
सही,
हैं
ठीक
बिकॉज
है,
यू हैव योर गैलेस, यू हैव योर सोल कैम्बल, यू हैव योर याप स्टैम. बट रियो एंड टेरी,
Terry,
I was going to say,
okay.
I was going to say Stam and Terry. So
I'll stick with that. I'll go with that.
I
Definitely.
mean याप स्टैम, इट्स बिकॉज याप स्टैम और रियो मैं नहीं सोच रहा उनके बीच में, बिकॉज इट्स दैट आइडिया द रियो विडिच पार्टनरशिप कि टेरी इज
Japstam, only because he's hot-headed, I would
That's-
never have in a center back position. So I mean,
Oh, bro,
just considering
your
the, I know, I
Japstam
get,
is-
I get that, but you know, for me personally, I love a confident and calm backline. But that's just the kind of
but
football I prefer.
then it would be Rio. For
Yeah,
sure.
But
Rio and Terry.
would be
अगर
in there.
आपने साथ खिलाना है, आप टेरी और याप स्टैम को साथ नहीं खिलाओगे.
हाँ, वो आपस में शायद लड़ पड़े हैं.
वो हर
वो दोनों ही
red
लड़े
card-
पड़ेंगे
वैसे
किसी
तो
से.
रियो और टेरी का इतना फड्डा हो गया था बिकॉज टेरी वाज रेसिस्ट टू एंटोन फर्डिनांड,
Right,
लाइक अ
okay.
ह्यूज मसला.
अरे,
वो
ये
तो
भी
वैसे ही
बात है.
साथ नहीं खेलेंगे. लेकिन यू वांट समबडी हु इज गुड ऑन द बॉल एंड देन यू वांट लाइक
A bully.
टेरी, याप स्टैम, विडिच.
So yeah, I guess chalo, if I was to replace Rio, I'd say Vidic. Vidic and Terry would be another pairing for me.
बट वही बात है,
Vidic and Terry
रेड
would
कार्ड
be,
वेटिंग टू हैपन.
Quite a good pairing.
But also a ball distribution pairing, game intelligence pairing. So I don't know. Maybe that's.
Personally, मैं तो रियो विडिच, आई एम हैप्पी विद रियो एंड विडिच
I was also happy
लेकिन
with
लोग
that until
मुझे
the choices started
लेकिन
coming
मुझे
down, you know, on the
वो
plate.
यूनाइटेड बायस के जो ठप्पे पड़ गए ना,
And Rio actually bought a lot of calm. He was very good on the ball.
Yeah.
He was very good going forward. Also, Rio scored some surprisingly great goals. A couple of volleys, you know. He's like so.
एक जो उसने कट बैक करके कर्ल किया था, was that like Liverpool and like
yeah,
the,
I think so. I think so.
जिस
It was
पे
one
I
of the
think-
big matches.
I think it was वही गोल था ना जिसपे स्कोल्स और गैरी नेविल ने पप्पी ले ली थी दूसरे की.
So I don't know.
नहीं, वो City
Rio
के
and
against था.
Terry and Vidic and Terry both sound like great combinations.
Who are we sleeping on? Sol Campbell, Gallas. अगर रियो मोल्ड में चाहिए तो
Gallas
Cavallo was great.
Cavallo
I mean,
was actually
I think
very good.
Cavallo,
And
Terry had
Cavallo
the
was
Who are the
extremely
good defensive
consistent.
teams of the past? No, like doesn't a
I mean,
Liverpool
Tony
name
Adams
come?
we haven't mentioned. Tony Adams is right up there,
Adams,
buddy.
I mean, the Arsenal team that won
The Invincible
Premier
year?
League, the Invincibles, यार कौन था? Soul Campbell था और कौन
I
था
wouldn't
उसके
put
साथ?
Carragher in there. I think
हाँ, नहीं Carragher नहीं
नहीं,
फेंका था उसके अंदर क्योंकि Carragher had too many bad moments.
Carragher आज तो खेल भी नहीं सकता. Like I don't think Carragher can play Premier League football now because Carragher's game relied on getting close, kicking, punching. Rio can play today.
Terry can play today. Vidic will play today.
Terry
Even Carvalho will play
की
today.
lack of pace शायद मसला हो जाए अभी. Like वो
Sol
Harry
Campbell
Maguire
would-
वाला
Sol
मसला हो
Campbell
जाए.
would easily
Sol
play
would
today.
play.
So-
Tony Adams.
हाँ, Tony Adams will play, and Tony Adams great
Vincent
spirit
Company.
also. You know,
Vincent
getting the whole
Company.
team going.
Guys, Vincent
Yeah,
Company.
actually, yeah, the name came to mind, but I
Vincent
said कि
Kompany.
थोड़ा सा maybe contemporary era में आ रहा है, but why not? Yeah, of course. He was the pillar
Vincent
at the back.
Kompany, अब तो तुमने मुझे डाउट में डाल दिया because Vincent Kompany की accomplishments and performances
Yeah.
plus his ability are all really
Plus,
really
I
up
mean,
there.
as
So,
much as Pep made City, Vincent Company made City.
Fernandinho, Vincent
a
Company,
huge
and
part
yeah,
of
हाँ,
this
City.
was
वो तो
that.
चलो players हैं ना
So,
still.
Vincent
But I think
Kompany
Vincent Company
and-
as captain really
Right.
like brought in that
actually,
culture
Rio and Company would be a great combination. That'd be a great. They're better than Terry.
He was a
Company is
clickbait.
a, company is a good shout, yeah.
And Company also represents the modern era of the Premier League, and he's won everything.
Also had a great shot on him. वो जो
Yeah,
एक
the-
Premier League winning goal
Yeah,
जितना
yeah,
great
where he was
shot
like,
on
मैंने सुना
him.
shoot
Yeah.
shoot
Great
कर
in the
दिया.
air,
And
quick. Yeah, I'd go with the.
Chalo, we
Company,
have a
yeah.
nice different
Rio and
kind of a
Company?
back line. Chalo.
Yeah, I would go with
I'll stick
Rio,
with the Bayern manager.
Rio and Company.
Get him in.
I would go with Rio and Company.
ठीक है. अच्छा भाई मेरे लिए तो मिडफील्ड बहुत आसान है. अब
बस.
आप लोग अगेन मुझे जूते मारोगे.
Acha, let's split the midfield. Let's talk about a defensive midfield player, and then fill up the rest too.
So probably the three best are Yaya, Roy Keane,
Huh.
and Vieira.
Okay.
But I mean Kante is
Yeah, so
great shout as
बिल्कुल,
well.
बिल्कुल,
You're
बिल्कुल.
forgetting
who am I forgetting?
Makelele played.
Makelele is, I mean, this is the guy who defined the
Okay,
role.
Makelele.
But Makelele Premier
Short
League,
stint?
हाँ,
Yeah.
Premier League
Yeah,
इतनी नहीं
short
खेली.
stint.
Stint उसका short
Like
था,
for
3 साल, I
instance,
think 3 years. or-
I'm
अगर
not
हम
really
La
sure.
Liga बना रहे हैं,
हाँ.
I wouldn't put Thierry Henry, even though I think he's a
He's
phenomenal
yeah,
player
yeah.
because he's the Premier League.
Yeah, I think
Makelele-
ये अच्छा determining factor है. But I would like I've seen obviously like in retrospect like Vieira looks like a silky player, man. Like he just slithers his way, and the height and the grace and the
Vieira was a
And
beast.
Vieira also
Vieira was a beast.
Though was pretty hot-headed, but he kept his cool really well. You know, despite Vieira जिस style से खेलता था, उसके ऊपर कितने बुरे tackles हुए, and he kept his cool. हाँ, Roy Keane और वो जब same field पे होते थे, वो एक दूसरे को जान से मारना चाहते थे.
For
but-
me, it's between them.
Yeah, it is
Right.
actually
It is,
between.
but
it's
like-
either Roy Keane or Patrick Vieira.
But again, longevity is Roy Keane.
But now let's do the
and a great
Kante
leader also.
Kante comparison.
Vieira was a good-
Put,
हाँ.
stand them together. Kante looks like अब तो कितना इधर तक भी नहीं शायद पहुंचेगा Vieira के. And then defining that role with a guy with a huge like center of gravity just taking the ball.
But
उसको
yeah,
ball
I know.
But he always had Lampard or someone with him.
So
in
I
that
think
midfield.
Kante was a pure destroyer. एक सीजन जब उसको I think मैटिच के साथ आप खिला रहे थे, he got some decent attacking numbers where people were like ये तो आपने देखा नहीं कभी कांटे का. But in general, Kante was a destroyer. जो box to box midfielder अब नहीं मिलता. Roy
Kante
Keane
was a
had a
disruptor. He wasn't
phenomenal.
really a very good
Yeah, yeah,
passer.
yeah, yeah,
He was
you're
not
right,
very-
Yeah.
you're right.
Keane
But Roy
was-
Keane and Patrick Vieira was both great
So,
passers also.
why-
Carry भी करके लेकर जाते थे आगे तक.
So why
गोल भी
I
बहुत किए हैं
Yeah,
दोनों ने.
goals
why
भी
I
मारे.
really rate Scholes and Keane is because तीन बंदे भी उस पर खड़े हुए हों. जो वैन गाल का फेलियर था कि उसके पास कोई था नहीं जिसको बॉल दे सकें, और शुरू में जो उसके फेलियर्स हुए ही सेड एरिक्सन कर दो. बट एरिक्सन एज ग्रेट एज ही इज ऑन द बॉल, इफ ही इज अंडर प्रेशर ही इज गोइंग टू लूज द बॉल. विद कीन एंड स्कोल्स वो तीन बंदे भी उन पे चढ़े हों, दे वुड डिमांड द बॉल, दे वुड गेट द बॉल एंड दे वुड प्रोटेक्ट द बॉल. एंड देन स्कोल्स कैन स्कोर, कीन कैन स्कोर, they can assist. Like there's nothing Keane can't do, buddy. Like अगर आपने वो एरा नहीं देखा, Juventus 3-3 वाला मैच देख लो बस. I think
And the only thing I would that would make me say go against Keane compared to Vieira would be like last year of his career he disintegrated and was literally fired by the club. Whereas Patrick Vieira had a graceful exit.
पैट्रिक
from,
विएरा का प्राइम क्या
Arsenal.
था यार? 3 साल 4 साल.
नहीं ज़्यादा 5 साल था उसका. Like
Keane का 10
5
साल
years
है.
he played really well. He had a
Keane
great
का
World
10
Cup
साल है.
in the middle of
Probably. I mean, he started with Nottingham
I mean,
Forest.
yeah, but if you consider
And another
Keane-
thing that Keane
impactful
has
years
over
की बात नहीं करें. If you're talking about the all time, तो इसका तो फिर whoever's played the longest makes the cut फिर.
तो
Yeah,
Gareth
but
Barry आ जाएगा.
impact-
So Gareth Barry ने
Milner-
500 मैचेस खेले.
Milner.
No, actually, if you're talking about midfield, I really like Milner just because of the fact that I think जितने भी Premier League players हैं उनके आप minutes combine करो तो Milner is definitely like somewhere.
I mean, Xabi Alonso भी है.
But I love that guy.
Xabi
man.
Alonso
I love
भी
that
है.
guy.
But again,
All of a sudden,
does Xavi Alonso define the
He
Premier
does
League?
not.
No, he does
Yeah,
not.
I'll call
He
him La
doesn't,
Liga.
yeah.
Yeah,
I'll
for
call
sure.
him La
He
Liga.
defines Real Sociedad, where he came from.
There you go.
So I mean, he
I-
really single-handedly bought
I
that team
can't.
up.
I mean,
La Liga, so.
अगर हम कीन मोड में हैं तो the Keane before Keane was Brian Robson.
Yeah, Brian Robson.
अच्छा,
मगर
so-
Brian Robson की longevity नहीं है, उसको बहुत कम साल देखा है. I mean,
प्रीमियर लीग में कम साल है ना, बिकॉज वो 92 से पहले से खेल रहा है. जी तला क्या
फुटबॉल लीग में देखा है उसको.
मैं कह रहा था कि I think the taste is now coming out because I can't just go with Keane, man.
I cannot not put Keane.
मैं फिर Vieira ही करूँगा because
I
if I
cannot
was
not put Keane.
again composure, the defensive seen. I get it. Like there has to be, of course, somebody who's hot-headed.
Kane-
I mean, this is going to
But-
sound like blasphemy, but I will also go with Vieira because
I cannot imagine a Premier League all-time 11 without Keane. Because Keane also made everybody
we're
better.
also going to do the subs bench. We're also going to do a subs
कीन को
bench.
सबस पे कीन आपको इतनी गालियां देगा ना एंड इज गोना वॉक आउट
देखो ये
I
यही
heard
यही
it.
तो मसला है
Yeah.
यही तो
Sorry.
मसला है
Yeah.
he walked out on a team he was managing his own national team he's
बट वो
walked
मेक
out
मैकार्थी
he
की गलती
literally
थी
walked out
वो
on
मेक
United
मैकार्थी की गलती थी
I mean he literally walked out on United also यार इतनी उसने बदतमीजी कर दी कि मिड सीजन नवंबर में उसको निकालना पड़ा so I mean थोड़ा प्लेयर
ये-
का पर्सनल ग्रेस भी
यार ये
चाहिए
आप
होता है,
यूनाइटेड
so-
वाले से बात कर लें, बस मेरा तो हो गया.
आप Vieira-
मैंने रनिंग आइटम मंगा लिया था.
I think Keane's skills on the ball are slept on because he's seen as a bull terrier. He was not. He
And
was
also
a
he had some very malicious moments where he tried
Haaland
to
के
break
बाप को-
someone
Haaland के
break
बाप को-
someone's leg
Haaland
and
का Alfie Haaland.
Alfie Haaland को हाँ
I mean, so
he tried to break someone's leg and end their career. I mean, he's
just
got
for
some
the
pretty-
sake of sportsmanship, I cannot have such a player in the all-time greatest
yeah, I mean,
Premier
and
League.
since I play football, I would not like to play against a player like
player
that,
like
or
that.
even
I
have them
am-
on my
I
team.
think
walking out.
शहजाद
Loose
स्पोर्ट्समैनशिप बहुत बड़ा फैक्टर है जो आप भूल. तो कांटे को आप टॉप पे डालें. कांटे तो उससे भी पहले आता है. मस्जिदें बना रहा है वो बंदा, पोचे लगा रहा है.
हम 6 प्लेयर्स आ चुके हैं और उसमें से सिर्फ 2 यूनाइटेड के हैं. दिस इज
अब आप देखिए
Unacceptable.
फर्गी कितना कमाल का था. देखो यही तो ट्वीट कह रही थी वो
अच्छा.
कि नॉन ग्रेटेस्ट
ये
से
देखिए, ये
13
आपको
लीगें
एक
जीती
छोटा
हैं.
सा कड़वा घूंट पीना पड़ेगा.
चलो मैं ये कड़वा घूट पी रहा हूँ, अगले पे मुझसे कोई बात ना करे.
नहीं नहीं, अगले में तो मैं
Scholes-
आपके
अच्छा
साथ
चलो
हूँ.
ब्रूनो फर्नांडिस.
Scholes, don't talk to me.
हाँ, so we decided on Vieira.
मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ?
De Bruyne over Scholes.
Fuck off.
Bleep bleep.
Just
No, I would take Scholes.
Bleep bleep.
come
I would
on.
take Scholes. I
What
would
is
take
that Scholes can't do? Scholes can play as a striker, which he started off, then the number 10, then that Xabi Alonso role. And अगर आप अभी हम यहाँ बैठ के बात करें greatest midfielders of all time, Zidane said Scholes, Xavi said Scholes, and Zidane and Xavi are
Frank
arguably the
Rijkaard.
best
Frank
midfielders of
Rijkaard,
all
who
time.
was managing Barcelona at the time of Ronaldinho, Eto'o, and these guys. They were slowly transitioning towards tiki-taka,
Right,
possession-based football, and he
right,
once said,
right.
"Ki, I wish I had 10 Paul Scholes." Because he believed in that one-touch pass.
yeah.
No one on the planet has ever been better than
So,
Paul
अभी-
Scholes at that one-touch and pass.
Excellent.
आपको Scholes के
He
भरम
was a
अगर
very bad
पता करने
tackler,
हैं
but that wasn't his job. So,
तो अभी कैरिगर और स्कोल्स बैठे हुए थे प्रीमियर उस पे फैन डिबेट पे एंड कैरिगर लाइक यू नो स्कोल्स इज वन 6 or 7 एंड लाइक 6 or 7 लाइक हाउ मेनी डू यू हैव इज लाइक 11 प्रीमियर लीग्स
Wow. नहीं तो अगर आप स्कोर्स की बात कर रहे हैं अभी आई ऑल्सो रेड हिज सिलेक्शन ऑफ द करंट मिडफील्डर्स ऑफ टुडे. इज लाइक मुझसे पूछा गया हु इज द बेस्ट, तो उसने कहा विटिनिया.
नो he said
Yeah,
he
he said
really
Pedri.
likes the Newcastle वाला
कौन?
टनोली
टोनाली
Yeah,
टोनाली और
yeah,
नहीं
yeah.
उसने एंड में बोला मैकलिस्टर आल्सो.
McAllister
he
भी
likes
बड़ा अच्छा है।
McAllister because McAllister can do everything. It's like the
अगर आप थोड़ा सा मॉडर्न साइड पे भी
बट ये
आते
सिटी
हैं,
स्नबिंग तो किया है यार. लाइक De Bruyne fits in somewhere in all of those
I mean,
midfielders.
और ऑप्शंस भी हैं.
यार, अब
Scholes
ये
के
भी तो
time
मसला है कि-
Lampard है, जेरार्ड है.
अब अगर-
nowhere close to the level of
हाँ,
winning
हाँ,
mentality
हाँ,
and
हाँ.
everything
अगर
that Scholes
अब इसमें ये भी इशू है कि अगर हम 4-4-2 जा रहे हैं
4-4-2
तो De Bruyne नहीं खेल सकता.
नहीं खेल सकता.
अगर आप 4-3-3 जा रहे हैं एंड दिस इज नॉट मी सेइंग इट बिकॉज आई विल पुट Scholes,
हाँ.
but then you can do like a Keane, Vieira, De Bruyne. That is a better
possible.
midfield.
But I think 4-4-2 is a better formation if you're doing all-time Premier League because
yeah.
they played
Those positions.
90% of the time the teams all played that same
अच्छा और
setup.
कौन
So,
फिर हमारा कोई who are we? याया
याया है.
but again
Lampard
longevity
है.
नहीं है.
Lampard
भी
है.
4-4-2 नहीं खेल
Actually,
सकता.
अगर मैं स्पैनर इन द वर्क्स फेंकूं तो possibly one of the greatest passers to have played in the Premier League is Michael Carrick.
Really?
But
Michael
highly
Carrick, all-time
underrated.
great.
Carrick is the
ये तो
most
आप
slept
अकेडमी
on.
से अपने ग्रेटेस्ट ला रहे हैं.
अकेडमी कहाँ है? टॉटनहम से खरीदा था 16
अच्छा।
मिलियन का.
Tottenham से.
हाँ
ना करो.
16
Michael
से
Carrick
खरीदा
next level.
Yeah,
I mean,
yeah.
like और वो उसका जो वो रन था 6-7 साल का, उसमें यूनाइटेड वो अनबीटेबल. आई मीन उसके पास आई थिंक उसके पास 5 ट्रॉफीज होंगी.
I'm a huge Carrick fan, but if you went to Carrick and said the choice is between you and Scholes,
He would say Scholes.
भी Carrick बैठा हुआ था रियो के साथ, and he was
No,
like,
no,
मैं
I'm
Scholes को देखता था, and I'm like, कि क्या कर क्या रहे हो भाई?
चलो,
I
कैसे कर
stick
रहे
to
हो?
Scholes.
I'll do this for my other United friends as well. Chalo, Scholes पे, because I just love a good passer of the ball. I'll be honest. It's just that I feel like De Bruyne ने अभी recently
Also,
seduce किया है
some of
हमें.
the craziest, most insane strikes of the ball are Paul Scholes.
Dude, that volley against Aston Villa.
यार,
From the corner.
oh
my, that's probably my
was
favorite.
in Old Trafford.
You were in Old
I was
Trafford.
in Old Trafford for the Champions League semi-final. That
Barca.
volley against Barca.
Oh.
I will never forget that. और मैं
Oh.
इतना ज़्यादा adrenaline high पे था कि जब मैं
This
होटल
is-
वापस आया हूँ तो मेरी बीवी को मुझे 2-3 ग्लास पानी पिलाने पड़ेंगे. चिल कर जाओ
This
ब्रो,
is
मैच हो गया, जीत गए.
Moscow 2008.
Oh my
तो
God, यार.
before Pep murdered us, Barca और United के semi-final हुआ था 2 leg. First was 0-0. Second was so tight. It was just like
And out of
the most
nowhere,
intense,
the perfect
tight
volley.
football. Just के कुछ वो नहीं होता both teams cancelling each other.
Yeah,
out.
yeah, yeah.
And then out of nowhere, Scholes has this
Pure magic.
volley.
Out of nothing.
Out of nothing, does not
Pure
even
magic.
celebrate. If I
Insane
remember, he's
volley
just like,
right
हाँ
in the
मार करके
corner.
हाँ ठीक है हो गया.
चलो विक्टर वेल्डेस भी सर खुजा रहा था कि हुआ क्या है
क्या?
यहाँ के.
So it was not in the moment and bas हो
हाँ
गया.
टक and then Scholes like हाँ ठीक है हो गया. This is
And
what I do.
think Alex Ferguson in one interview, one of the interviews after one of their victories, the interview asked, okay, what is it about Paul Scholes? And his answer defines everything. He says, Paul Scholes scores goals.
Paul
So,
Scholes
it's very simple.
13
As a
महीने
midfielder, his contribution was massive.
13
So,
महीने उसने रिटायरमेंट ली. 13 महीने के बाद आया. उसके बाद जूते भी नहीं थे, दुकान से जूते ले. He was the best player on the pitch. City
He held the
against
team together.
when he came back from retirement.
he held that team
And
together.
you're like bro मतलब
It's crazy.
तुम क्या चीज हो यार.
Done भाई. तो फिर
अच्छा.
लॉक करें इसे.
Done.
लेफ्ट विंग. अब आप
एक
लोग फिर
सेकंड 3 हो गए मिड के.
नहीं, you want to go right first?
Let's just complete the. अच्छा, we're doing 4-4-2 now.
we have
अच्छा
to now.
सही है, चलो ठीक है. Let's
Have
do
to
it.
do
लेफ्ट की
Let's
बात
do it.
कर रहे हैं.
भाई most Premier Leagues. Come on.
There's only one choice.
Yeah.
It's Ryan Giggs.
Yeah. यार most Premier League wins ever.
ठीक है.
Close to 500 games.
Great passer, versatile player.
Yeah.
Overall nice guy.
अच्छा,
Yeah.
tell me
Hardly
why
any-
not Henry? Why not Henry? If we're talking about footballing skill, if we're
If you're
talking
putting
about.
four-
would come in a forward position.
अच्छा, okay, not
As
that
a
mid.
wingers, Ryan Giggs is possibly the best winger who's ever played the game. Let
On the
alone
left
in-
side
in
at least,
Premier
yeah.
League. So I mean, the
Because-
amount of crosses, his tiki taka, he had everything. So
Bro, उसने एंड में आके सेंटर मिडफील्ड भी खेल लिया. एंड रायन गिग्स एट हिज पीक हैड पेस, कुड ड्रिबल,
he's unplayable.
कुड स्कोर. क्या
That
नहीं कर
famous
सकता
FA Cup
गिग्स.
goal against Arsenal.
Giggs can-
ran through 10 players and scored. So he's crazy.
There is nothing Giggs can't do. Goals, dribbling, his brother's wife. There is nothing Giggs can't.
That's the only blotch.
There is
That's the
nothing-
only blotch on his
There
otherwise
is
very
nothing
illustrious
great
career.
Giggs
Yeah.
can't do.
So, many,
तो-
let's discuss more. क्योंकि और भी left wingers interesting
Yeah,
और अच्छे
Hazard.
गुजरे.
I was actually
Hazard
I mean,
है मगर
early
Hazard
days,
ने
Hazard
लेफ्ट पे
is
इतना
as-
खेला नहीं है. Hazard ने सेंटर लेफ्ट के बीच में
नहीं,
खेला.
Hazard is left
4-3-3.
throughout.
Yeah,
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 he's
yeah.
left throughout,
But वो
I'd say.
4-4-2 नहीं है, 4-4-3-3 है.
Yeah.
Damien Duff, Joe Cole,
Damien Duff
Robin
कभी
was
very
there for a
short,
bit.
very short period of success. Just those couple
Joe
of
Cole
years.
की ज़्यादा थी.
जो कोल की थी मगर जो कोल बेचारे को भी अनसेरेमोनियसली डंप ही कर दिया सारी टीमों ने.
Reyes was very good.
Reyes was very good, but also injuries. We didn't consistently see Reyes do it, and maybe he was also a part. देखो, Ryan Giggs becomes a natural choice is because Ryan Giggs, no matter what era of United he played in, he won a Premier League.
भाई आप प्रीमियर
He's
लीग
got
ऑल टाइम
like-
11
he's got
बना
the
रहे हो.
most medals of any
जिस
player.
बंदे ने सबसे
So-
ज़्यादा प्रीमियर लीग जीती हैं वो कैसे नहीं हो सकता उसमें. तो
Ryan Giggs,
सिंपलर.
he personifies the Premier League.
But then you're going by the trophy cabinet. I'd love to hear somebody skill based or just because we're talking about like
वो भी है
footballing
ना.
ability. Like if you were,
How do you win?
So of course the team helps you win a match. जरूरी नहीं कि वो अकेला ही खेल रहा था उसके अंदर.
यार वो कोई
But you know,
जॉन
people
ओशे
can-
नहीं है भाई, वो उस रैंक
But people can get decorated along the way as well. So
not for 20 years.
not for 20 years.
Not for 20 years.
Just the longevity of it. And till the last game, I mean, he played so many roles, yaar. Center, forward. I mean, it's just a. It's
Giggsy के बगैर नहीं हो सकता.
No argument
And
there.
natural left footer.
अच्छा.
Sent those curling crosses in. Ruben Nistelrooy को से अगर पूछो तो उसकी सिर्फ तारीफ ही करेगा.
99 का तुम उसका आर्सेनल FA कप सेमीफाइनल गोल देखो, मेसी-esque.
अच्छा.
या वो
Through 10 players, yaar. It's like crazy.
Gig-
वो जमीन पे पड़े हुए players.
Oh, right, right,
When you
right.
look back and the people like lying on the
Right.
ground.
See, so very little debate. Giggsy, right पे भी there should be very little debate.
Oh, here we go.
it's most-
Say-
Again, if somebody is in the GOAT debate, how
Yeah,
is he
that's
not in
it.
the Premier League
Exactly.
11 debate?
Thank you.
Ronaldo. Bex is probably the closest to number 2.
I would.
या current era में
अच्छा,
साला है.
so
I don't
Ronaldo
know, I
is a
would
Premier
say-
League player,
I
huh?
think
Yeah.
Ronaldo's best couple of years at Manchester United were more a forward position, less a winger.
But आप थियरी
है,
थियरी भी
right
चाहिए
पे
ना,
बहुत अच्छे
थियरी
wingers
भी
हैं।
चाहिए ना. कौन है बेक्स और रोनाल्डो? साला इज द करंट, बट उससे पहले कौन है? रॉबिन वाजंट देयर फॉर लॉन्ग.
Salah
अगर आपने जेरार्ड को
Salah
स्क्वीज करना है
4-4-2
वहाँ,
में squeeze नहीं होता because
तो
with
Ronaldo
Yeah,
भी
I
नहीं
think
होता.
हो जाता है. I think
जाता है.
Salah, because whenever
I
I've seen
would take
Salah play,
Salah
he starts at
ओवर
the half.
रोनाल्डो.
I would put Ronaldo forward.
आई वांट थियरी के लिए मुझे जगह चाहिए.
अच्छा
वो तो
नहीं अच्छा so hold
forward
on
में तो मुझे भी
हमने
theory के लिए
गिग्स
जगह
को
चाहिए,
सेंटर में
नहीं,
हमने
नहीं,
फिट
Giggs को left में डाला है.
लेफ्ट मिड
Yeah,
में
yeah,
डाला है
yeah.
so wait what's the formation again I'm getting
4-4-2.
confused
So it's a
4-4-2
Vieira scores
so we get
Giggs.
2 attackers so
Yeah.
your left attacker you're considering like Henry को तुमने वहाँ पे डालना है.
Yeah.
Okay, this is interesting. This is interesting because that space can be shared by a lot of people.
आते हैं ना
चलो
वहाँ.
सही है ठीक है
I
हाँ
mean, if
I
you're
get the
looking at a
formation.
pure winger who's going to send balls into the box,
अगर
that
बॉल
was
चाहिए तो
David Beckham.
बेक्स.
That was David. If you're looking
Yeah,
for a
but-
right winger position, say Ronaldo, then you're looking at someone who's going to break the formation and
I think
go
I get
into
now
the
why
box.
you were getting confused, you know, because I feel like that position has been redefined और मैं सिर्फ उस redefinition में ही सोच रहा हूँ.
Yeah,
actually.
but Ronaldo 4-4-2 में भी खेला हुआ है. That spaghetti hair
अच्छा,
Ronaldo face.
you know what? I'm gonna pull a
Those-
bias now.
Those were his 3-4 formative years जहाँ पे he didn't contribute any. His
He
biggest
did, still
contributions
did.
were as a forward.
जी.
Arjen Robben, 100%.
Oh.
Injuries got the best of his career,
दो
but as a
साल-
player, he's 2 साल वैसे at the Premier
चेल्सी में
League.
कितना ही था वो यार.
हाँ उसका Bayern career
Is
बहुत बेहतर
more,
है.
हाँ, but you
उसका
can.
बहुत
I
बेहतर
would.
है,
I would feel like इसके because of all of the mishaps in his. I mean, if he had spent that kind of time, if Sen Bart's तो
मेरे
बहुत हो
लिए
सकते हैं.
सिर्फ 3 ऑप्शंस है. अगर आपने जेरार्ड को वहाँ पुश करना है, दैट्स अ डिबेट. ओके कि ही कैन डू अ रोल फॉर यू एंड ही इज डेफिनेटली वन ऑफ द ग्रेटेस्ट प्रीमियर लीग
I
मिडफील्डर्स.
would put Gerrard there in place of Beckham.
रोनाल्डो बेक्स जेरार्ड, आई थिंक दैट्स द राइट.
नहीं अभी मेरे दिमाग में तो है कि रोनाल्डो मेरे
नहीं,
लिए is one
नहीं.
of the forwards. And in his last 2 seasons at United, he was the forward and scored 45
Sure,
goals,
sure.
38 goals,
सो
won the
ये
Champions
कैरिगर
League,
और
Premier
थीरी
League.
ऑनरी ने भी किया था विद मैथ दैट हु हैड द बेस्ट प्राइम एवर एंड रोनाल्डो वाज नंबर 1 बेस्ड ऑन the data and the algorithm. B, all the players who've played with Ronaldo, who are the same players who played with Beckham, are like he was untouchable for those 2-3 years. तो मैं front पे actually Henry और Rooney को डालना चाहता हूँ, तो इसलिए मैं
Right.
Okay, so is there any way we make a Premier League 11 without Ronaldo? No, right?
चलो.
He's possibly
Yeah,
one of the
agreed.
greatest players
ठीक है,
ever to
Agreed.
play.
तो चलो इसको अभी पार्क करते हैं. Let's get our 3 remaining,
Okay.
and then let's figure out what to do
yeah,
with
because
them.
I just need to think about
तो
this
मेरे
थोड़ा मैं.
front I'm
Beckham
putting
और उसके बीच में conflicted हो गया हूँ मैं,
हाँ,
because रोनाल्डो के assists
Bex is-
बहुत कम है, Beckham के assists are through the roof.
Bex, which is why I started watching
Ronaldo's
football.
free kick percentage is much lower. Beck's free kick percentage was crazy. You know, it's like
But I mean, look at the kind of free kicks Ronaldo. Portsmouth के खिलाफ जो गोल था, bro, come on.
नहीं
अच्छा,
मेरा फेवरेट तो
तो
आर्सेनल के खिलाफ है फ्रॉम द
वही-
मिडल ऑफ नोवेयर.
वही, the free
वो
kick.
डेविड सीमन बेचारे का करियर खत्म हो गया उसके
Again,
बाद.
free kick.
Yeah.
फॉरवर्ड्स में
I'm Henry and Rooney, but go for it.
But I'm going to settle on Salah for right because I've seen him play at right mid as well. And considering the GOAT debate currently going on in the
I would
world.
agree with you because Salah,
Yeah.
मेरे दिमाग में Salah घूम रहा है.
Listen,
इस वक्त
Salah
that's-
is great, but
Listen, I mean, coming from the Italian league to the Premier League, it makes no sense for you to make your mark so quickly.
Yeah, but when-
and then also coming into a in-develop, like जब वो
But
आया था,
at-
Liverpool just started that Firmino था, but the Mane
when
and Salah wasn't even a kid.
at the age Ronaldo was winning Champions League for United, Salah was on the Chelsea bench. So come on, there are levels. Respect, respect. Khair,
Yeah, of course, there's that Mourinho Chelsea time for yeah, definitely, but
but I wouldn't hold that against him. But khair, he
चलो we'll come
उसका
back to
peak
the
late
right.
आया
We'll
है.
come back to the right wing.
अगर तो हम as players compare कर रहे हैं तो रोनाल्डो का पीक यूनाइटेड है भी नहीं.
बट अच्छा ये भी है कि मैं रोनाल्डो को बिकॉज यू बीन वाचिंग यूनाइटेड फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम मैंने तो उसको राइट पे रजिस्टर ही नहीं किया था मैं उसको
started on
लेफ्ट
the
और फॉरवर्ड पे रजिस्टर कर रहा हूँ व्हिच इज वेयर आई हैव सीन मोस्ट ऑफ हिज गोल्स हिज अटैक्स हिज
But that's Real
असिस्ट्स
Madrid.
बट आल्सो लाइक हाँ या चलो
That's Real
ही वाज इन
started on the right, played a bunch on the left as well. नानी रोनाल्डो जब खेलते फिर जब
Right.
टेवेज रूनी रोनाल्डो था,
That's when it got
it did
split.
not matter.
They had
कोई
gone
कभी-
4-3-3 by then.
राइट
But that's मेरे ज़माने में बेस्ट यूनाइटेड मैंने इसलिए देखा है बिकॉज इट डिड नॉट मैटर 10 मिनट टेविस लेफ्ट पे होगा 10 मिनट टेविस राइट पे होगा कभी जब हमें नहीं समझ में आ रही होती थी कि कौन कहाँ होगा तो ऑपोजिशन को क्या आएगी.
So then it's a midfield of sorts basically.
that was phenomenal those three together. खैर आते हैं रोनाल्डो होना तो है फॉर श्योर. फ्रंट पे मेरे तो थियरी और रूनी है बट देन यू हैव कैंटना यू हैव शेरर हैरी केन आई डोंट नो बट बर्ककैम्प फॉर नंबर 10.
मेरे रूनी है 100%. ठीक
है थियरी नहीं है.
थियरी नहीं है.
I put Henry there. I definitely get Thierry
How can
Henry
you not
there,
get
yeah. If
Henry
I can
there?
get if Vieira's there,
Thierry
Henry
Henry
has
was
to
a
be
part
there.
of so many losing causes maybe.
Bro, because look at the team he was playing with, यार. जो चैंपियंस लीग फाइनल्स जिसमें he was like, where was Messi?
I mean, I was going to throw a
Look-
spanner big time in the works.
Cantona.
Didier Drogba.
Duh, of course.
यार, come on.
He's a daddy.
Yes.
I mean, he bossed it for a good 4-5 years.
But he
So,
Drogba
and they won like multiple Premier Leagues. वो जितने आर्सेनल ने 20 साल में जीते थे उन्होंने 5 साल में जीते.
ड्रॉगबा का मसला थोड़ा सा ये था कि वो he was a big match player.
Also, if we're talking about like instinctive, मैं last episode में ये बोला था strikers' qualities are instinct, the find a goal, the turns, the converting any kind of a pass. I feel like Drogba makes the cut definitely, and then you said
and
big
Thierry
moments.
also had a.
So Drogba wouldn't turn up
Thierry had
against Portsmouth.
Thierry, when he wasn't having a good game, he would be switched off. I mean, people like Drogba.
And you're talking about Drogba?
Drogba and.
Drogba was a moments player.
Yeah,
Thierry
but all
was
those
a
moments,
90-minute player.
Those moments won his club the trophy.
Nobody's denying
But
that.
I mean, considering the fact that you're a striker, you are waiting for moments. You know, I mean, एक striker.
I mean,
if you-
it's a
देखो ना,
job description
this
of a
is the-
striker.
This is
Okay,
where
when
the
that one moment
Okay.
arrives in those
हमने
90 minutes, you have to
attackers
take
को-
it.
yeah,
So,
The most fox in the box striker ever was Ruud van Nistelrooy. Ruud van
अभी मैं वहाँ पे आ रहा
Nistelrooy
था.
could take the ball from the halfway line alone and score, which he has. Drogba couldn't. Drogba
I mean, I was about
needed
to
to
come
be
to,
on the last man. Yeah, Drogba needed to hold up play enough and occupy the two defenders ताकि Lampard goal मार दे.
I was going to mention 3 other players actually.
Best finisher is Ruud.
Ruud van Nistelrooy I was going to mention.
Van Persie.
Just the sheer volume of goals that he scored
Yeah.
for United in the few years that he was there is crazy. I was going to mention Robin van Persie.
Van Persie.
Because there's very few big players who have played for both United and Arsenal. ठीक है? And also Eric Cantona. ठीक है ना? Sometimes more than sheer numbers, you need a certain level of attitude and just being cold. He was like cold. He was cold. I mean, there's so many
Cantona
times he
is
scored
like
these crazy goals
जिस
and
तरह
didn't even celebrate.
कॉर्नर ने
So-
यूएफसी बनाई है ना उस तरह कैंटना ने प्रीमियर लीग बनाई है बिकॉज कैंटना कमिंग टू यूनाइटेड
I mean, Cantona
coincided
and
with the
Rooney-
Premier League तो कैंटना was the face of the
Cantona and
Premier
Rooney
League.
would be, oh my God, at
They're
their
too
primes.
similar, no?
Yeah, too similar, but what a combination they would be. And let's not minus Alan Shearer from this discussion.
The-
I mean,
Honestly, I've
most-
never seen an Alan Shearer game.
Most
I'll
goals
take his word for
प्रीमियर
it.
लीग एवर और अब तक हमने
और
उसको
वो,
डिस्कस नहीं किया.
इतनी mediocre ब्लैकबर्न रोवर्स को लेके वो अकेला बंदा अपने कंधों पे उठा के प्रीमियर लीग जीती है उसने. सो आई मीन बिग अचीवमेंट्स. मगर आफ्टर ही केम टू न्यूकासल हिज करियर वाज वेरी स्टैटिक.
यार अब ये
लाइक 5वें 6ठे नंबर 8वें पे आ गए.
अब ये मसला है ना फॉर्मेशंस का. अगर आपको चाहिए कि भाई तू नंबर 9 है, तू खड़ा रहे, बॉक्स में बॉल आएगी, तूने स्कोर करना है. Shearer is probably the greatest goal scorer of all time.
him and Van Nistelrooy would be.
But if you need somebody coming in from the left,
हाँ.
Thierry is there. So
And Rooney, you could put him anywhere. I mean,
Rooney
you could
तो
put
है
him
ही
in
ना.
goal, ना,
Rooney
वो
को तो
goalkeeper
आप-
भी
Yeah,
खेल
you
सकता
could put we
आप
discussed this.
Just like
we can put Giggsy in the middle and switch to a 4-4-3-3 and have Ronaldo, Rooney, Thierry.
मैं तो कह रहा हूँ पहले 4-4-2 डिसाइड कर लेते हैं.
नहीं, मैं वो कोई
permutations
फर्क
discuss
थोड़ी
कर लें.
4-4-2
I feel
करना.
like important names have been discussed today. You know, अब वो lock in किस पे हुआ है? I feel like we've appreciated and discussed some really important names in the
तो
Premier
चलो
League.
जो
जिन्होंने
तीन
they've
हमारे
shaped
रह
history.
गए,
हाँ.
वोट Thierry, Rooney, Ronaldo is my vote for the 3.
For the top 3,
अब वो अगेन जो तुम कह रहे हो कि फॉर्मेशन डजंट मैटर.
हाँ.
जो भी है 4-4-2 है तो रोनाल्डो को राइट पे कर दो.
हाँ.
4-3-3 है तो गिग्जी को मिडिल में कर दो. बट
भाई मैं तो कह रहा हूँ कि
रोनाल्डो,
हम इस
थियरी-
पूरी डिस्कशन में हालैंड को क्यों नहीं डिस्कस कर रहे हैं.
अभी तो रुक जाओ.
नहीं यार
अभी तो पार्टी शुरू हुई है. तीसरा साल है तुम्हारा.
ब्रो, मगर फिर भी यार
अग्वेरो इज अ बेटर शाउट देन हालैंड. केन
मैं अभी एग्वेरो और केन्स पे आने वाला था. मैं कहा let's get done with this crop. But even though we're discussing these guys, I'll still put like Henry and क्या कहते हैं Salah and Henry up there. And if we're getting Ronaldo up as an attacker, I'll just put him in the middle then.
सो नो रूनी फॉर यू.
No.
I'd
अगर
put-
मुझे
I'd put-
I want some variety over here, and I know we've discussed this, how great of a player he is. I shared my thoughts on this on the last episode.
चले.
But
I mean,
overall greatness
if
की
we
बात
have
करें,
Salah on the right wing,
yeah,
then I would put Ronaldo and Rooney up top. But if we have Ronaldo on the right wing, then for me it would be Rooney and Didier
So
Drogba.
now the problem is there
too
2
many
Rooney,
choices.
2 Salah,
हाँ,
2 Ronaldo and 2 Thierry.
amazing. एक bench कर दो.
तो अब हम
मैं
कैसे-
कहता हूँ आपके
who
लिए
didn't have
मैं
Ronaldo?
आपके लिए मैं
No, we all had Ronaldo in the team, right?
चलो यार रोनाल्डो ले लिया यार, of course.
You
He's a
didn't
great
have it.
player. Yeah,
Okay.
of course.
So now 2 रहते हैं.
How can you have any team without Ronaldo यार if it's on the
चलो.
book? Come
So
on.
now अब हमारे
Yeah.
पास 2 रहते हैं and our options are Thierry,
Salah.
Rooney and Salah.
हाँ,
तो I'm Thierry, Rooney
Salah.
and Thierry.
Yeah.
I'm in out of
Yours-
those 3 I would be Rooney and Thierry.
तो हो गया ना
हो गया
डिसाइड.
decide.
तो इतना साला क्यों कर रहे थे आप जब एंड में
मैं
आगे
डीडीए कर रहा था.
रूनी आना.
Well,
Didier
also
कर
he in his team he's shifted it to right mid, तो फिर बस सही है. मैं भी settle हो गया.
किसी ना किसी तरह हम पहुंच चुके हैं इस 11 के ऊपर.
बेंच बना लें यार.
बेंच चाहिए.
हाँ,
तो आई थिंक
5
जेरार्ड,
प्लेयर्स की बेंच बना
अच्छा,
लेते हैं.
bench fun होना चाहिए.
हाँ.
कीन,
Bench
since
fun
आप-
होना
नहीं, पहले
चाहिए.
गोली
नहीं, ये
पहले
हटाओ.
गोली
मतलब?
पहले गोली डिसाइड
Fun.
हमने श्माइकल किया था तो बेटर चेक होगा.
हाँ, पेटे चेक
चलो.
Fun क्या
मेरा
मतलब?
मतलब अब इसको सीरियस ना लो. अब बेंच वो है, वो प्लेयर्स जो तुम कहते हो कि यार ये मेरे हैं, you know.
क्या
हालैंड होना चाहिए.
हाँ,
bench में.
ये there you
हालैंड
go.
होना
That's
चाहिए
fun.
bench.
हालैंड आएगा,
हालांकि
और
मैनचेस्टर
आगे
सिटी का
आएगा यार, क्या
मैनचेस्टर
हो
सिटी
गया?
का प्लेयर है. आई हेट देम बट ही इज अ
अच्छा,
फैंटास्टिक
गोली से start. चलो, गोली से start
सो
करते हैं.
सिंपल.
Better check
ओके
Better check. वो हम
ओके सिंस हम
bench
ये
पे
इतना
ला
सारा
रहे हैं.
डिस्कस कर लिया है
Alisson,
तो
चलो.
जो हमारे
हाँ नहीं पहले
Like-
check. तो टीम में
टीम में
हाँ,
जो
Schmeichel को
हमारे-
bench पे ला रहे थे.
पसंदीदा.
रह गए इनमें से योर जेरार्ड्स, लैम्पार्ड्स,
हाँ,
कीनोज,
उनको डाल दो.
देयर ऑब्वियसली आर बेंच.
हाँ.
बट सिंस वी वांट टू डू अ फन थिंग तो लेट मी थ्रो अ स्पैनर इन द वर्क्स. लेट्स पिक प्लेयर्स हु आर नोन एज बेंच प्लेयर्स. लाइक आई वुड पुट Kudachini as my keeper
हाँ.
because he was the most number 2 bench
I
player.
would, I would put Ole on
Ole
the
is
bench.
like the
The-
bench.
He is
Yeah,
the
he's
quintessential
the
super
substitute
sub.
boy.
हाँ,
हाँ,
he's
poster
the super
bench boy.
sub.
poster
So-
boy for substitute. Milner
नहीं, Milner was always the starting team.
Milner,
यार.
City में-
Milner the 90 minute,
सिटी
90
में तो
120 minute
बट
guy
मिलनर का फिर
खिलाते
फायदा
रहो.
ये है ना, ही इज अ स्विस नाइफ. आपको लेफ्ट
हाँ,
बैक चाहिए, आपको
हाँ,
राइट बैक
हाँ,
चाहिए,
हाँ.
तो सेंटर बैक,
मैं
मिडफील्डर,
तभी
राइट
तो कह रहा हूँ
विंग,
bench interesting. भाई अब subs are
हाँ
like
तो
you know,
मिलनर इज अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग शाउट फॉर द बेंच यार.
Milner would be
a great shout for the bench there,
Yeah.
but I wouldn't call him a bench player. That's what I'm saying. He's not a
Hey,
bench
so
because you
it-
start teams with a Milner in the starting. Like जो
I
भी
would
team
actually
we
have
do- अगर
Xabi
अभी-
Alonso on the bench.
There you go.
In case your midfield is suffering,
But
you
Jabi
have
did not.
someone.
Jabi was never a bench player.
हाँ, no, but I would have
Probably-
him on the bench because he can come in and create something for your
अगर
forward
हम
line. So,
गूगल करें मोस्ट सब्स्टिट्यूट अपीयरेंसेस, मिलनर वुड बी राइट अप देयर. also because his appearances are so many.
हाँ.
But Milner ने बहुत bench पे खेला भी है.
Acha, so for example, who do you want on the bench? Somebody who can cause a difference, somebody who can win a match, somebody who can
Yes.
stop those goals, attacker को उठाया, एक defender
गोल
डाला
चाहिए
है
हमारे
तो.
पास ओले है.
So 2 defender, 2 attacker और एक गोली का एक मजेदार bench बनाओ ना.
I think
2 midfielder, 2 attacker.
चलो 2 हाँ जैसे भी
defenders.
spread it around, spread
okay,
it around.
so I have Kudicini is a good shout for
Right,
a bench keeper.
right.
I mean, since we've picked Peter Cech, I would have Peter Schmeichel.
I would have Kasper Schmeichel.
हम वो
for
नहीं कर
fun's
रहे
sake.
ना. हम we're not doing
हाँ,
like.
हाँ, हाँ.
हाँ, we're having
Bench.
fun.
But he's still like
We're doing fun.
Yeah, there you
अगर
go.
फन चाहिए तो भारतीय से ज्यादा फन कीपर कौन है? आपको कुछ नहीं पता वो अगले मोमेंट क्या करेगा.
कुछ भी हो सकता
हाँ
है.
कुछ भी हो सकता है.
Yeah.
कुछ
मुझे
भी.
भी याद है वो marijuana legalization rally पे किसी ने
ना
उसकी वीडियो
करो
बना
यार.
ली थी झंडा लेके
ना
जा रहा था
करो.
फ्रांस में.
That's crazy.
Barthez was pretty crazy. Actually, I would
would
have
put-
Haaland on the bench.
Haaland.
A good destroyer.
Yeah.
कि आ जा और मार टकरें और गोल कर किसी
I would
तरह
put
से.
Jamie Vardy.
I would put Vardy, bro. I would put Vardy on the bench.
Yeah,
Jamie
100%.
Vardy.
I would put like.
Oh damn! Why did I forget Jamie
Yeah,
Vardy? What a
because
player.
nobody remembers him
Jack-
because he was
What a
there
player.
for like that one
Jack
magic
Grealish
season.
He just left.
He went to the
Leicester.
Italian league.
Ah,
Yeah, he's playing in the
crazy,
Italian
yeah.
league, having
He
fun.
got a
Yeah.
hero's welcome.
Yeah.
Jack
Jamie
Grealish get
Vardy,
banged.
man.
Jamie Vardy,
I would put
that
Jamie Vardy.
season, like
Vardy and
anything that
Haaland,
touches
ठीक
his
है.
ball.
Vardy
नहीं
and Haaland on the bench
Ole,
would
no,
be
no,
great.
Ole and Vardy.
Ole and Vardy.
Ole and Vardy.
Bench हम vibes पे बना रहे हैं.
Vibes पे बना रहे तो मैं Aguero Vardy डाल रहा हूँ because
ठीक
straight
है.
up कोई मजाक ही नहीं है.
I would weird shout. Rory Delap को डाल दे. अगर आपको throw in चाहिए.
थ्रो इन चाहिए. अच्छा और ये वो ऊंचे वाला भी नहीं होता था. It's usually like
Direct
bullet-
throw
bullet-
in.
Oh,
My
bro, it was a
God.
corner.
My
You know
God.
there are
God, like
video.
corners. His throwing was crazy.
There are videos कि जब स्टोक सिटी को थ्रो इन मिल रहा होता था कीपर पीछे मार देता था कि कॉर्नर ले लो, थ्रो इन नहीं लो.
यार काफी सारी टीमें जब स्टोक सिटी आ रहे होते थे वो अपनी एडवर्टाइजिंग बोर्ड्स आगे कर देती थी ताकि उसको रन अप ना मिले.
हाँ,
God, that's
It was
crazy.
so deadly.
Dude, he was
Crazy.
insane.
So,
John O'Shea is like a great bench player because again कहीं पे भी खेल सकता है.
Fletcher.
फ्लेचर भी है. पर हम अपने
नहीं,
अपने
Manchester
आ रहे हैं ना,
आगे
अपने ही आ
वापस.
रहे हैं.
वैसे मैं
Sammy
तो
Appiah is a good
I would
bench
always
option.
keep 2 midfielders on the bench.
हाँ.
ठीक है. When if a team is becoming difficult to break
Yeah.
down, you should have 2. So I would actually
Different
keep
causes
Xabi
थोड़े.
Alonso and Frank
I
Lampard.
would
वो
on the
नहीं है
definitely
ना
put
वो.
Xabi Alonso
But
there.
Xabi
हम
Alonso and
हम
Frank
हम
Lampard.
Considered
हम
नहीं कर रहे.
vibes में जा रहे हैं.
Vibes
हम
में जा-
bench like
अच्छा.
players who are
हाँ.
bench warmers. These are not bench warmers.
These are not bench form.
Gary Cahill is a good bench warmer.
हाँ, Gary Cahill is a great bench.
He's a great bench. He has a goal in him. He's Jason Park भी start करता है.
क्या कहते हैं अपना कोबी माइनू.
तो बेचारा यार.
अगर मॉडर्न एरा में बात
बेचारा
कर रहे हो,
यार.
बेचारा बेंच वॉर्म ही कर रहा है.
बेचारा.
अब तो वैसे सर्दियां भी आ गई होंगी तो मैनचेस्टर में.
किसने bench warm? I mean Sheringham.
हाँ, Sheringham.
Teddy Sheringham. is
Super
great.
sub. Super sub. So
कानू good Arsenal के लिए.
Yeah, not a bench player, but like we haven't discussed Alexis Sanchez. I would definitely have him somewhere there, यार. वो भी कुछ
उसका
ना कुछ.
United
by
time
the way,
इतना
we-
बुरा
अभी
था.
भी उसने he caused a lot of difference versus Barcelona recently in their game versus जिस team में दोबारा वो गया. I think which team has he gone back to?
उसका United time इतना बुरा
नहीं,
था.
हम एक और
इतना
player
बुरा
भूल
था.
गए.
Piano man.
हाँ, एक और प्लेयर भूल गए जो गोल नहीं करेगा
हाँ.
तो वो अगले को अटैक करके उसको जख्मी कर सकता है. वो
Joey
था
Barton.
लुइस सुआरेज. वो काट लेगा ना, भी काट के ले जाएगा.
We really
और गोल्स भी क्रेजी हैं
forgot
उसके
अच्छा,
सारे.
actually
So great
Suarez was
bencher.
very good.
बहुत Liverpool
Suarez
fans
was
I
very
know will be pissed off कि हमने strikers की बात कर ली and हमने Suarez नहीं डाला. I mean,
टॉरेस भी नहीं डाला.
but
सुआरेज को डिस्कस भी नहीं किया.
yeah,
मतलब
Torres को
जो
discuss भी
जिनको
नहीं
हमने
किया.
डिस्कस किए वो
डाल
सारे
दो, डाल
बहुत
दो.
बड़े
टॉरेस सुआरेज
There you go.
और भी
There
बहुत
you go.
स्ट्राइकर्स
Suarez
डाल
great
रहे
for the
हैं.
bench.
नहीं, but Suarez, I'm sorry, is not even better than Lewandowski. So let's skip this
But
topic.
Suarez also again not a bench player.
Yeah, he's
No,
not.
but I would
Torres
have him
ने
on a
Chelsea पे
bench
bench पे
कि
अच्छा
जा
खासा
गोल
खेला.
कर, अगर गोल नहीं हो रहा तो उसको काट. So you know
Bench players कौन है?
कान
But I
शान
mean,
ले
they
जाओ
have
उसका.
that Norwich game with Liverpool, बस वो एक ही highlight है जो उसकी best चलाते रहते हैं. But खैर, like I mean, he did have a few very good strikes in him.
Yeah.
But yeah, I think थोड़े नाम snub और skip
रेड
हुए हैं
कार्ड चाहिए तो जोई बार्टन इज परफेक्ट फॉर द बेंच. जाओ रेड कार्ड ले
लेकर आ. That's a good requirement for a bench player, हाँ. Red card लेकर
जा
आ.
किसी के एक
होना
टांग
चाहिए.
टांग तोड़कर आ जा.
Red card
एक
वाला.
एक टांग तोड़कर आ
जैसे
जा.
हमारे ज़माने में 80s में एक बतीस्ता होता था, अर्जेंटाइन का प्लेयर,
हाँ, हाँ.
और वो हर वर्ल्ड कप में नहीं बतीस्ता उससे
बटिस्टूटा.
पहले दाढ़ी वाला बड़ा ना खौफनाक किस्म का प्लेयर था. उसका काम ही ये था. उसको
card.
जब वो
Injured
1-0 या 2-0 अर्जेंटीना जीत रहा था तो उसको भेज देते थे. उसको उड़ा दिया. प्लेयर्स उससे डर के ही दूर रहते थे यार ब्रो ये जख्मी कर देगा. सो
Gabriel Heinze is a good fullback option on the bench.
is a good fullback option.
Rafael-
Patrice Evra is a great
But
fullback
he's not a
option.
bench.
So,
Not a
he's
bench. Not bench. Wes Brown great. पर अपने ही हैं सारे. अपने ही हैं सारे.
यार defender, we're not specifically left back यहाँ आपको right back भी हो सकता है.
हाइंजे
Any guy
दोनों
in
खेल
that
सकता
position,
है.
right?
जॉन ओशे पूरी बैक फोर में खेल सकता है. मैनेजर फर्गी और पेप. आई थिंक 2-1 हो जाएगा. सॉरी तला. You're a Pep boy.
Definitely. Yeah,
I mean, I'm also a Pep fan, but if you're
But-
playing
I mean,
a 4-4-2,
who's not a Pep fan?
If you're playing a 4-4-2, then you would take.
Also,
Fergie.
not just because of the Premier League, because Bayern, I mean, he also was handed a very good team. I mean, you can say whatever you want to, but
The guy
recently,
defined-
अगर बात करें, like since we've opened the Pep chapter now, like of course Fergie developed that, but जितने आप लोग कहते हो इतनी महंगी signings की, dude, they knew that Man City is buying this. जिस तरह आपके पास अभी उसकी डील हुई थी किस प्लेयर की, वो हंस के उन्होंने बोला था हमने उसको जैकअप कर दी थी प्राइस व्हेन दे फाउंड आउट व्हाट दे एक्चुअली पेइंग फॉर. तो सिटी का भी यही, दे नो मनी इज कमिंग, बट बर्नार्डो सिल्वा, ये ऑल दीज प्लेयर्स, रूबन डियास, कैंसी, कोई अच्छे प्लेयर नहीं थे. डी ब्रुयने वाजंट लाइक रियली कोई वेस्ट ना वुल्सबर्ग का कोई चीता प्लेयर नहीं था वो.
De Bruyne struggled.
कोई एग्जैक्टली
So
दीज
उसको
वर
बनाया है. I
ग्रेट
mean,
प्लेयर्स.
Chelsea में struggle किया है De Bruyne ने.
एग्जैक्टली.
नहीं भाई, द गाय हैज डिफाइंड फुटबॉल फॉर अ डेकेड. मतलब जब आपके चैंपियनशिप में लोग पेप फुटबॉल खेल रहे हैं,
Exactly.
it's over, right? Like
Exactly.
the guy.
Like he's definitely slowed the game down, but at the same time, it's interesting to watch players play into a role which is not just defined in like textbooks. And थोड़ा सा वो break तो, I mean, I can't imagine how you would evolve football beyond this even.
Pep is a great improviser. And he was always a great improviser, no matter
Even
where
as
he
a
was.
player?
Even no, not as.
Not as a player.
Sorry.
पेप का वैसे ये भी बहुत अच्छा एक टेस्ट है कि अब जब आपका पहला ब्लिप आया है,
हाँ.
दूसरी टीम बना के दिखाओ. फर्गसन मेड लाइक 3-4
Yeah,
great
Ferguson
teams.
won the Premier League with some really shitty teams.
Players. That's a skill.
Pep can't win anything with shitty players.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's why for
Also-
me it'll be Alex Ferguson.
That's a good thing because his system is so football and technically क्या कहते हैं demanding that you can't just have idiots running around in his system. You need ball intelligence is Pep's game सारा. You need intelligent players.
And also Alex came. Pep came into Barca after Rijkaard. Rijkaard had a kick-ass team. I mean, he inherited a
team,
great
definitely.
team. And he went to Bayern, another great team. He came to
Kimmich की
City.
signing ही ये था.
He came to
bought him
City, unlimited budget. Yeah, Alex Ferguson came to Manchester United. They were like 18th. And they were
After
like,
winning-
boss, अभी relegation से वापस आए. I mean,
After winning the Super Cup with Aberdeen.
Aberdeen. Yeah.
Aberdeen नाम भी किसी ने उसके बाद नहीं सुना. तो Ferguson.
it would have to be Ferguson for me.
Thank you for watching. जो आपकी
The
disagreements
United
हैं,
podcast.
please.
No,
नीचे.
but the United fan.
I'm also नहीं, मैं सिर्फ शहजाद को बोल रहा हूँ. आप safe हैं.
मैंने
आपने
तो
बहुत
बहुत-
advice दिया
आप
है.
लोगों ने मेरे साथ बहुत
मैंने
ज्यादा
तो
किए
जिनको
हैं.
देखा है 92 से लेके
कीन
नहीं, I
और
trust you, I trust
कीन और
you.
श्माइकल का टीम में नहीं होना मुझे समझ से बाहर है.
तो आपने तो
यार,
बनाई
Peter
United
Cech
best
है.
11 है अपने दिमाग में.
नहीं, एशली कोल था मेरे उसमें.
अच्छा, एक.
Even though
नहीं,
Irwin,
देखो पीटर श्माइकल का एक और बहुत बड़ा मसला है, वो मैनचेस्टर यूनाइटेड को छोड़ के
City.
कहाँ गया. So मेरे लिए वो मर
बहुत ही
गया. वो जिस दिन
end पर.
the day he left United to go to City, for me he died in a car crash or like
तो मैं
drowned or
जाता हूँ
something.
ये जाता है.
नहीं, ये अब देखो, ये अपने अब
Okay.
दुखों, ये एक्चुअल ये स्टेडियम
मैंने
विजिट्स की
दिल से
बात
बोल
कर
रहा
रहा है.
हूँ.
ये वो गलियां और उसने मैनचेस्टर की
So,
घूमी और दुख को
Ferguson-
लेके अपने.
Peter Cech, Ashley Cole, Company, Rio Ferdinand, Kyle Walker, Scholes, Vieira, Giggs, Ronaldo, Thierry Rooney.
Yeah.
प्रीमियर लीग ऑल टाइम 11 जिस फॉर्मेशन में आपने डालना डाल दें. थैंक यू सो मच. टेक केयर.